What is up, fellow creators? I just finished editing my first wedding film with the Fuji XT3s. Now, if you want to go right to the video, just go right to this time, but I was going to give some brief context. I switched from Canon about 3-4 months ago, and I've filmed 3 weddings on the Fuji XT3s, and I absolutely love it. I'm so glad I switched. The only issue I had with this wedding was the lighting in the ceremony location. I've filmed over 120 weddings, and this was by far the worst. There was like bright yellow lights coming down, and there was one window on the side pointing sideways, so his face was blue and she had bright yellow. So the colors during the ceremony when they're up top is a little weird. So keep that in mind if you're critiquing the colors of the Fuji XT3. I did my best, but I'm not a colorist by any means. I'd like to hear what you guys think. Make sure you guys leave some comments below on anything I could have done better, but it's mainly just to show you the look that you're going to get if you're considering switching to the Fuji X-T3 for weddings or videography. But with that said, I'll also leave a link to my kit page, which is everything that I use in this video. And without further ado, here's my first wedding film on the Fuji X-T3.
In the spirit of love and life, Kevin and Lynn have selected a reading from Winnie the Pooh to share with us today. If you live to be 100, I want to live to be 100 minus 1 day, so I never have to be without you.
Oh, love will bring you to your knees, just sow seeds of grace.
Kevin's always been a really great friend and someone I could always talk to and look up to. So Kevin really has never been the most willing to disclose information about his love life, even with rounds and rounds of interrogation from his friends. So when Kevin was willingly told me about this new girl, I was super excited.
From driftwood from the deep.
Over the past year, I witnessed someone take care of her in the same way I would, but with more patience. He traveled the world with us, and he was able to meet our entire family, something only a few people can actually say.
And in your heart a place to journey. And like a garden it will grow. I will part the seas.
Oh my gosh, you look beautiful. Oh, girl, we're getting married.
I know.
You look amazing. It's okay.
You like it?
I love it.
From symphonies, and I dance to form your name.
Before this moment, you've been many things to one another. Strangers, friends, boyfriend, girlfriend, fiancé. But now you shall say a few words that will take you across the threshold of life. Things will never be quite the same. For after these vows, you shall say to the world, "This is my husband. This is my wife."
Lynn, I promise to be your rock, to fill your days with happiness, to comfort you and encourage you, to help you be the best you, to be your best friend ever, to love you all my life with all my heart.
I will part the seas.
Kevin, my love, my outer half, my best friend. I never believed that someone could love me so much that they would voluntarily spend the rest of their life with me. It wasn't until you came into my life that I realized what true love is. You changed my life. You've made me a better person. You are the best part of my days. You make me feel safe, but most importantly, you help me laugh. You're there for me when I cry, and you've given me a love I never knew existed, and for that, I'm eternally grateful.
I promise to be faithful to you. I promise to snuggle you if you want it or not. My hand will hold yours as we drift down life's river together. I love you.
My heart is my promised land.
Kevin has always been kind since the day I met him. I am happy to see Lynn find someone that seemed to be a perfect match for her. I would like to wish you guys all the health, good fortune life has offer. Be patient with each other and learn to compromise. Congratulations, welcome to the family, Kevin. Good luck.
Your heart is
Kevin and Lynn, having witnessed your commitment to one another in front of all who is here today, it's now my honor and delight to declare you husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.